So I'm going to do a review on the Chemical Guys Dicky Citrus Wheel Cleaner Gel. Haven't used this yet. I usually use Diablo. But we're going to see if it works. Who change that? Alright, I'm going to come back when I get the wheel all sprayed down with the Dicky Citrus. Alright, so I have it all covered in the wheel gel, so I'm just going to use this. I only use this for the tires, or for the wheels. Let's see. Wheels aren't extremely dirty. Just felt like washing my car today, so might as well clean the wheels too. And I was told that this wheel gel is only for chrome wheels, and they would not recommend it for like matte black wheels, or if your wheels are painted matte black. I heard it's not good for the paint. So far it looks like it's doing a pretty good job. I'm getting all the dirt off. Actually, I just got this car about a few days ago. It's my past car got wrecked. It was that previous car I had was a 2004 Z4 3.5. Scrapped the tires. But yeah, it was a pretty good car. But somebody hit me and it totaled out the car. So now I've got this 2008 328i Sport, which is a pretty good car. I like it. Great daily driver. Right. Yeah, it looks like the wheel gel worked pretty good. I'm gonna be back when I'm done drying the wheels. So I dried the wheels and I think it did a pretty good job. I mean, yeah, I feel like me and you don't clean like cars professionally and you just want to get the job done. I think I would recommend this, but I still like this a little more. And it's only like $10 a bottle. So you can obviously tell I'm not professional at detailing cars. It's just I like to clean cars, and I made this channel just to review some stuff that I find at, like, I don't know, the auto parts store or online. But I think that's it. I'll find something else to review in a few days.